Change the effect right now, the critical damage. What? What? BT meta. You know, Mayhem is dead already. BT meta. Easy. BT meta. Dude, that's so much damage actually. 32%? Like, no engraving is as high as 32%, dude. Is this good? This is amazing. This is 10 out of 10. This is 32%. It's doubled. It's not it's double. It's basically about the same. Except you normally run Kinblan on top of it. And Kinblan doesn't work well with like the critical damage. Well, now it does. It multiplies this as well. So you get it nerf quick. BT meta. So yeah, Mayhem is dead, you know. Check the Mayhem book. It's probably already like, you know, worthless right now. So yeah. Go play BT. BT is the best one right there. Alright, ding dong, ding dong. Super late ding dong. It's ding dong right here. It's ding dong. Patch note reading time. But yeah, we'll go through it really quick right now. So my assumption is that like it shouldn't be as much as like the one before, right? But yeah, so people can read this to make it easier for you, for like you guys experience, right? I'll just like do the Google Translate for it. If anything is funny, I'll just go back and like read it myself in Korean. But yeah. So yeah, this is that server application right now. Axanel, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome. Wait, did I say that actually? I did say that already. Lance dead. Yeah, pretty sure Lance is dead. Alright, let's go then. Okay, first one. Oh, see? Like, not all of it, I think, is touch. See, yeah? Not all of it. Scouter is there. Scouter buff, let's go. Okay, let's see here. So it's like way less than the usual. Test server application. You guys don't need to know about this. This is just me, because I can enter the test server on my own. So this one doesn't matter. And this is the class balance patch. Let's go. No Deathblade. I told you that Deathblade probably is not gonna get touched, right? Guess what? So yeah. Okay, anyways, balance patch direction right here. So yeah, some class that need to be changed and focus on improvement. Yeah, battle environment, overall aspect, class characteristic, combat operation, visuals were reviewed. Visual? Huh? Do they change like how some classes, some skills maybe, how some of the skill look maybe? Maybe like the War Dancer, because War Dancer like has like, you know, outdated visual, right? I don't know, maybe, I guess. So yeah, maybe. Identity, skill, awaken. Yeah. Yeah, this is important as well, I guess. So yeah, adjustment for identity, engraving, skill, and tripod. Job engraving. Oh yeah, here we go, boys. War Dancer skill. Yeah, a lot of like older classes are a bit like outdated in their like skill looks, right? So yeah. For new class, Aeromancer. This is Aeromancer right there, Kisan Sulsa. Currently in progress. Okay, so it's not there yet. Aeromancer adjustment is not there yet. So yeah, so basically like well, you guys have nothing to do with it anyway. So yeah, sharpshooter visual. Okay, let's see here. Common patch. Oh, okay. I really hate this. So this is the hallucination set basically. This is the hallucination set. Hallucination set have always had the issue of like it's really annoying to maintain because of that 1 second extra, right? So yeah, so let's see the change right now. So the 4 set gives you critical rate, and then when attacking, the duration effect increased by 1 second. What? What's the difference? This is nothing, I guess. It's generally about the same. Oh no, this is just a random hit. So it's no longer you have to crit. It's just a random hit. Random hit will increase like the thing. Psychedelic, yeah, it's hallucination. So yeah, it's like the Google Translate. Yeah, attacking versus critical is different. Okay. The 6 set is 9 second change to real, so reality effect basically. 15% and critical hit rate 8% for 120 seconds. Oh no, this is the level 1, level 2, level 3. Never mind. No, it's the same. Same except like it's 2 minutes. When attack his duration is okay, good. Okay. So that's fixed. That's hallucination fixed right now. So instead of like it's not the same. No, it's not the same. Because like if you hit an enemy, it goes back to 2 minutes. It's basically salvation. It's critical salvation. Yes. Critical salvation. So yeah, finally. So a lot of people have been complaining about this. I hate hallucination with a passion because of this as well. So now it's just renew. So that's hallucination. So you hallucination player, rejoice, man. Because like you probably don't know the problem with hallucination, but when bosses have a lot of downtime, like in Brawl Shaza Phase 6, right, you always drop hallucination. You basically playing around with like no gear set. It's actually really annoying. Well, that's great. That is good right there. Swift spec roach shots cannot stop winning. I mean like it doesn't change like the actual buff. So technically like it's still the same damage. If you're a roach, salvation will still be stronger as well. So yeah, sup Cal? What's up? But yeah, anyways. Okay, that's like the hallucination. So there is that. Hallucination is good. Let's go. Now into the class. Beer Warrior Secret. Oh yeah, it's no longer Brazil Secret, man. It's Beer's Warrior. Hell yeah, brother, man. It's all about the beer, bro. Can you link the patch note? Yeah, sure. Yeah, the beer, boys. The beer right here. Okay. Change the effect right now. The critical damage. What? BT meta. You know, Mayhem is dead already. BT meta. Easy. BT meta. Dude, that's so much damage actually. 32%? Like, no engraving is as high as 32%, dude. Is this good? This is amazing. This is 10 out of 10. This is 32%. It's doubled? It's not it's double. It's basically about the same. Except, you normally run Kinblan on top of it. And Kinblan doesn't work well with like the critical damage. Well, now it does. It multiplies this as well. So you get it nerf quick. BT meta. So yeah, Mayhem is dead, you know. Check the Mayhem book. It's probably already like, you know, worthless right now. So yeah, go play BT. BT is the best one right there. BT is best. Brazil meta incoming. This is really good. Here is the thing, right? Critical damage is pretty bad actually. Critical damage is not a really good damage increase. Because like it stacks additively with the other one. This one though implies it's multiplicative. Yeah, this one implies it's multiplicative right now. So it's a multiplicative 32%. Ooh. Ouch. There is no more BT book on market. Oops, too late. BT3 might be like basically like the BT3, BT1, 16%, 32% is too high though. Nah, I think BT3. I think BT is gonna be a level 3 class engraving. So yeah. Mayhem is there. Oops. Tell me what happened to Gunslinger. I'll check later. Yeah, it's one by one right now. So yeah, Mayhem has been like doing well. Basically, is what he's saying. So yeah, what Berserker's Biggie? Huh? Dude, this Google Translate is so weird, man. God damn. But yeah. So yeah, so basically what they're saying is that like Mayhem is doing the right number, doing like the right number index, but BT is like lacking a little bit. So yeah, so they raise like they raise it a little bit. A little bit. This doesn't look like a little bit though. I don't know, man. I don't know about you, but this doesn't look like a little bit. Biggie small, yeah. Biggie of the photo 4. What the hell? Yeah. 2 books anyways. Yeah, but that's Berserker for you right there. BT Berserker. Okay, moving on into Gunlancer. Let's go. Bev, thank you for the resub, man. 7 months. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Okay, let's see here. Attack range increased by 70%. What? Well, the best skill has been problematic because of its range. So yeah, the range 30%, that's nice. 70%, it can slap even like your mother right there. So yeah, it is super nice. But this thing is a level 10 tripod though. So yeah, it's much easier to apply for Red Lancer, I guess. Yeah, true. It is much easier to like apply for Red Lancer. 70%, yeah, it was 30% before. So yeah, nice one. This is I mean like this is like both buff basically for blue and like it's a quality of life for blue and like red, because sometimes this is annoying because of how short the range is. You miss your synergy. No books already. So yeah, synergy skill, key synergy due to short range, hit difficulty was just judged to be high, so the tripod has been improved. There is that right there. Destroyer. So they remove this skill, right? Perfect swing buff, I guess. Oh, this is a buff actually. Yeah. Will you use the tripod though? We'll use this tripod and the user one. I'm not sure if it will be or not. Yeah, I don't know. I have to check like the tripod level of the other one as well, because I don't remember. But yeah, so I assume this is like some destroyer change that might be a buff. I assume this is gonna be a buff to like destroyer. So yeah, Swing's Hammer. Oh, this is for PvP basically. Perfect swing PvP right now. Increase total damage. Yeah, this is like a PvP, because this tripod is for PvP. We ignore that one. PvP tripod. So yeah, the level 10 tripod. Level 10 tripod, what? The level 10 tripod? What do you mean? Beer Warrior Secret right there. Damage to enemies increase. Okay, this is nice right there. Yeah, this is another buff. Yeah, this is like a basically generally like a buff to like a destroyer here. Yeah. Yep. And then there is like a lot of like a gravity training buff. It's gravity training buff as well. This is a gravity training buff. If you're running gravity training and you like gravity training, this is a buff, because this is an identity gain tripod now. So they changed some of the skill into identity gain, so you can use it. So there is that right there. Yeah, this is like identity gain. Yeah. Yep. Damage increase as well. So it's generally a buff to like rage hammer damage, and then like it's a quality of life for like a gravity training like a destroyer then. So yeah, what did I miss? You missed like a BT buff, right there. So yeah, awakening. Okay. Also 100% gravity gauge is like restored. Okay. I assume it just means it's faster right now. I assume this just means like it's faster to use the awakening. Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's the wrong one actually. Yeah. Probably. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Hunt time got buffed again. Isn't that good for you, Kegum? I thought you wanted hunt time. So yeah. Thought you wanted to play hunt time. Dead Eye. All books bought now 3K and AOS standard, yeah. So yeah, this is when you buy books, because some of the books gets cheaper probably. Maybe like Mayhem gets cheaper as well, something like that. So yeah, another change for like Gravity Core. This is thing right there. Oh, engraving is changed actually. Gravity training is changed now. What? Oh, wait, it increased like your gauge generation as well for gravity training. So yeah, and increase your critical rate by 30% as well for that one. So that's the same right now, and the damage increase is the same. 3 times and include gravity shock to deal additional damage. What? How do we know how much additional damage is this though? So basically, the more you hit like the enemy, the harder you hit as well. So yeah, well that's basically Bong Destroyer right there. I don't know, Aki man. I don't see it right now. So yeah, no spoilers. Yeah, I don't know. This Destroyer right now. Interesting, I guess. I guess like it would make like gravity training like a more like people would like more likely to like use it right now. So yeah, that's so much. Meme hammer incoming. It's never a meme to begin with, but it has its own issue. And this one, I guess like it's a quality of life. So maybe we will see. But yeah, we will see. Well, moving on. Scrapper. That's it? Huh? What? Okay, one sec. Shock skill 3.7%. I see. Shock skill, the green skill then I guess. The green skill right there. Huh, okay. This thing like weird right now. So yeah. Yep. So you Shock Scrapper got a nerf basically. It's a 3.7% nerf on your like green skill. Dead class right there. Shock is dead, yeah. Check the book, probably is dead already. So yeah, destroy MVP on Guardian guaranteed? No, I don't think so. I think like from what I'm reading right now, the biggest thing is probably BT Berserker, probably, I would say. The class just reduced percent increase of skill damage. I mean like this is fine, you know. Shock Scrapper nerf by 3.7% on like shock skill. So the nerf is actually less because you use like some yellow skill as well. So yeah, Solve is also dead. Ooh. Really play Scrapper when War Dancer exists? They do. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, never lucky. Wait, is it like both ways? It's just both ways. Why? Huh? I guess like last patch they increased the damage and apparently they overshot it, so they nerf it a little bit. Never lucky, dude. Never lucky. Yeah, all tier 1 class drop down right there. Sit down. All tier 1 class sit down. You know, it's the tier 5 class time right here. It's time for me to rise. Robust got cucked, yeah. Robust doesn't need to like get that nerf to be honest. So yeah. The Dominion like EO maybe, sure. maybe. But I mean, like, I don't think they need to as well because Domin is hard to play. But apparently, they just like catch it on. Oops, never lucky, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Glavier right now. Ooh. Okay. After that. So, huh? The damage is not like, wait, isn't that like a buff though? What do you mean by like what does Taira mean by that though? By that, my taijutsu is alive, so I don't care. Okay. Yeah. Thinking of switching to red because I'm kinda bored on blue. More difficult one, which you can to have crystal option. Crystal is what you use right there. Glavier. I mean like I don't know. I mean like it's the what's the name? It's a buff basically. It's a buff skill. It's a buff to that, but I mean like not on the thing. I guess I don't know. Yeah, I don't understand as well. 6.6% on that. Yeah, weird ga. I guess like they just increase the damage of that. So okay, do you think the amount of meter gain uniformity is balanced? I think so. Yeah, I mean like you can regain it pretty fast. Concentration skill is blue or red? I think it's red. I forgot the name actually. I think it's red. Pretty sure it's red, but I might be wrong. Pretty sure it's red right there. YF F red skill only. Isn't it nice? Yeah, for Pinnacle. So basically like the reason is that like you know they buff like the well okay here's the thing right. Basically probably 4-3 with like a 4-3 build with like the thing. 4-3 with like a raid captain is probably gonna be stronger now. Probably. Control is already solid but it's back attack oriented. So yeah, if they buff like the blue skill, right, then they're gonna buff control if that is the case. The issue was the Pinnacle right now. So I guess like enjoy right there, yeah. Enjoy. Want people to use 4-3 more often? Maybe I guess. They probably like want people to use like 4-3. So like and then they just buff the red. And now probably like 4-3 with raid captain might be stronger right now. So there you have it right there. Kumrazer must be happy. Yeah, he did. Kumrazer did like check this one, right? So yeah, good for him. All right, artilleries right here. Artilleries. What? So this is a buff. So this is a buff right now. So yeah, so this buff like your spec right now. Your spec now buffs your like barrage like even more. So there is that. That's the first one right now. Murder is ahead. Yeah, this is a buff for now. Okay, but I'm like I haven't seen anything yet. So yeah, shelling gauge acquisition. So basically identity gauge, I guess. Okay, probably this is an increase amount. Okay, so it seems just fine right there. What? Wait. Okay, now I'm not sure. Am I like reading this wrong right now or what right here? Let me read the whole thing first because I wasn't entirely sure on this one. So yeah, I feel like they might have changed like some of the skill over here. This is actually like a pretty big change for like artilleries actually. Yeah, this is weird actually. Huh. Maybe like the engraving change. Okay, maybe this one. So it's a nerf 10%. Oh, I see. Okay. Huh? What? Why do they give like critical hit rate on it? What? Am I like reading this right? Why do I feel like this class doesn't need a buff, but like the blaster right now. Am I just looking it wrong right now? Huh? Why do I feel like they make like the bombardment even like the barrage blaster even stronger? They're gonna move the crit to barrage enhancement. Yeah, but I mean like you can run both of them. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. So they changed firepower into a plain damage now. It's not critical rate anymore. So yeah, huh? Dude, like the way blaster play will be like much different actually. This is weird actually. This is actually really weird. So yeah, I just pushed my artilleries. What do you mean? crit went to firepower from barrage, and firepower just have like a plain damage increase. I don't think it's bad though, because like plain damage increase is technically better. You'll just run like a high crit artillery if there is the case if you're playing firepower. But yeah, I don't know. This is just, I don't know. Maybe like there is tripod changes right now. So far this is basically a buff right here. So this is generally a spec buff, which makes your like a spec like better right here. This is an increase in like damage in general, basically. Just like a damage, awakening damage, normal skill damage, and everything. So yeah, you need. Do you not need both class engraving now? Probably you don't need both class engraving right now. But then I still look at the class engraving. I think you will still run double class engraving, because I think like the. Oh no, you don't run firepower, because firepower doesn't buff like firepower. The new firepower does not buff your like barrage skill anymore. So you don't use double anymore. That's good, I guess. Double class engraving has always been like shit anyway, so that's good. Is that an identity gain nerf though? Is that an identity gain nerf though? What do you mean? Huh? Okay, more blaster damage buff. Yeah, firepower is gone now. You don't use firepower anymore, but you got critical rate. Not as high as firepower though, so you probably wanna use adrenaline still because of that. So yeah, heavy armor for spec now. It's actually just heavy armor. 20% damage taken reduce. Yeah. Ooh, you're right. Since you don't run double, that means like whenever you cannot move, you eat like much more damage as well, because you don't have the 20% reduction from like firepower, because you don't run double anymore. So yeah, they say it, why they changed the dev notes. Yeah, I'll check after this. So yeah, so there is this one, the new skill. We don't know how it actually works, but yeah. Okay, what is this right here? So you get like an identity gauge generation tripod on this skill. Okay, that one doesn't matter. Rocket speed. Okay, this one doesn't matter as well, to be honest. Doesn't matter as well. Ooh, okay, it's a buff on this tripod right here. If you're playing firepower, this is a buff on you. Well, I guess like a barrage as well in a way, but I mean like the thing. 12 firepower engraving then. Nah, you're gonna run like level 3 firepower if you run firepower, basically. So you can run firepower, I guess. Firepower engraving. Like with this buff though, we don't know the actual numbers, but firepower should be like pretty strong. Probably. We'll find out right here. We'll find out. So yeah. Forward barrage right here. Forward barrage. Oh. It's actually like worse. This is actually worse. Wait. No. What? Wait, isn't it the same, man? Huh. Now I'm not sure actually. I guess like I think like they're gonna change like the identity, and so the firepower gauge and the barrage gauge is like two different things now, because they specify it's a different name. Oops. They specify that this is like two different name maybe. Yeah. They have like a different name right here. Weird. Dude, this is actually weird actually. 20% damage reduction, level 3 barrage, and level 1 firepower. The firepower doesn't buff your barrage skill, Crims. That's the thing. So, yeah. So, you can, like, run it for, like, damage reduction, but it's basically just, like, heavy armor for you. So, yeah. Piano or Swift Blaster heavy nerf? No. I think, like, Piano is nerfed in a way that, like, you're gonna run, like, high crit Blaster right now. High crit Swift secondary. But then, like, I think, like, your damage is actually buffed. Based on this number, at the very least. So, yeah. Flamethrower. Ooh. What? That's actually a big one actually right here. So PvE damage right increased by like 31%. That's like a lot of damage if you're like running like the Scorch thing. Firepower buff again. Firepower buff again. Okay, gauge generation. Cooldown is higher though. Cooldown is way higher. So yeah, mana consumption increase. The cooldown tripod, fix it, but it's there still. Okay, gauge recover for each hit. Okay, same thing I guess. Yeah. Okay, this is about interesting, I guess. So yeah. Typer, type with the follow man. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Hallucination plus food. Hallucination can work as well. Yeah, hallucination can work as well. Instead of like running nightmare. But now I think like you're gonna run like high crit with nightmare. I think still. I don't know. Think the gauge you get depends on class engraving. I think they're gonna have two gauge now. Firepower and like barrage. I don't know. We'll find out because we'll enter the thing anyway, right? So yeah. And then there is like this, probably more of Chaos Dungeon buff, I guess. Chaos Dungeon. We don't care about this. 7-second cooldown on this one. This is a holding skill now, so you can just let go. So yeah, Yeah, see? Okay, told you. Basically, the identity is now different. It's two. Firepower gauge and barrage gauge. It's two different things now. So yeah, so if you're like barrage player, you care more about this one. You don't really need the firepower gauge. Because like the firepower gauge is a different thing. So yeah. Did focal damage? No, flamethrower did alright. It did alright basically. It's a good filler skill as you wait from like other one. Now it's actually a core damage skill for like a firepower skill then. Do I speak Korean? Yes. Okay. Gravity explosion hits hard now. I'm not sure if it's gonna hit harder for like for it to be taken as like a standard skill though. We'll find out I guess. So yeah. So this is the same. This is the same right here. Yeah, if you use like barrage skill, you get like firepower gauge. So if you use like a awakening, then you get like everything. Ah, I see, I see. Okay, okay. Yeah, your gauge generation is actually nerfed for like a barrage blaster. So yeah. Alright. Yeah, this is like a weird one actually. It's a pretty weird one. Yeah, cannot be. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Okay, firepower doesn't have cooldown anymore then. Wait, is that a firepower cooldown? Oh, okay. Firepower doesn't have cooldown anymore. Wait, so you can maintain firepower 24/7 then if that is the case. As long as you can do it. So basically the way firepower works right now is that like whenever you stop hitting the enemy, it will slowly like decrease. The barrage is the one that retains the old one. Whenever like you get full, you transform and then after that you cannot transform for like the next like there is a cooldown for it. But your firepower is 24/7 now. So yeah. Damage reduced in barrage. No, damage reduced is barrage on this one. But I mean like you get like a barrage damage skill on your spec scaling. Your spec scaling is way higher right now. Well, not way higher, but it's higher right now. But yeah. 4.8% damage PvE buff all skill. What the fuck? That's like sharpshooter? Damn. Well, we'll move on to sharpshooter then basically. We'll read this one real quick actually. So yeah, firepower buff, bombardment, yeah. Yeah, see, this one is always annoying. Firepower gauge always maxed out in the worst part. And then like you just like lost it basically. That's always annoying. So I guess like they changed that right now. There is that, there is that. And then for like a barrage blaster, it's stressful to play. Okay, and then like it makes it easier to what? It makes it easier to operate. I feel like it doesn't change anything for like barrage to be honest. You just change your engraving. I get a feeling that barrage is basically unchanged in terms of its playstyle. Yeah. I get a feeling that like barrage is still gonna stay the same. Firepower is basically probably buffed. Because this thing is way better than like a standard engraving, I would say. So yeah. Wheelchair take less 10% less damage. I didn't see it actually. Oh. This one right here. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pogang, yeah. Okay, Pogang mode in Pogang mode. Yeah. Well, I mean like that's just part of it I guess. But 10% is not 20%. But either way is the same I guess. So yeah. Continue set salvation. I think you will still run salvation. I think you will just replace the firepower with like level 3 adrenaline now. That's basically how it is. And then like you will still run salvation as well. Rip to Barrage RT will have 12 firepower books. Yeah, well, to be honest, like double class engraving for like the firepower is a bit too strong. So it's kind of like expected as well. Hawkeye. Okay, well that's boring right there. Damage of everything increased by 4.8%. What? But that includes Death Strike though. What happened to like the double class engraving? You know, you fix double class engraving on like artilleries, but you don't do anything for like the Hawkeye? Why? Why? I have not Ghost Scouter yet, so yeah. 7M weaker than 6M now? I haven't gone through like the thing yet to like a gunslinger. I don't know. I guess like this is just good for you for like Hawkeye players. Sharpshooter players just playing like a 5% damage buff. It's really good though. It's really strong, but yeah. Time to fix. No time to fix Hawkeye. I just think the double class engraving should be like changed right there, but it's there I guess. All right, and now go to my main class, tier 5 class by the way. All right, so yeah, scouter right there. What happened to level 1 engraving? Nothing happened yet, so yeah. Okay, damage of all skill except basic attack is 4%. So that includes like sync skill then, basically. So everything is increased by 4%. The spacebar is faster. That's it? That's it? What? Well, that's boring. I mean like, it's just like damage increase, boom, extra 4% right there, done. Wait, Hawkeye is stronger though than Scouter. You buff it by 4.8, but you only buff Scouter by 4%. What is this? Discrimination, dude. Oh, they didn't change Hitmaster actually. You're right, yeah. They did not change Hitmaster at all. True. Well, I mean, like, this is not the end of like the actual change, right? But right now it seems like that's the case. If they keep the head attack, then I'll just give up. I just think that like they're not gonna like change head attack, and I'll just change my engraving, I guess. So yeah, couldn't be bothered with Hawkeye and Scouter. I guess so. Yeah, it's just this right here. Well, that's sad, I guess. And then Gunslinger, I guess. Gunslinger right now. Hawkeye was tier 6 Scouter 5 now. Hawkeye was like pretty good. It was like tier 3, tier 4 or something like that. Tier 5 was only Scouter, dude. What are you talking about? Yeah. Well, anyways, yeah. Go to Gunslinger right now. So yeah, a 5% damage buff on your like shotgun. The tripod is changed now. Wait, what? Oh, this is like sharpshooter. This is sharpshooter skill. Yeah, that's a sharpshooter skill basically. One of the tripod is changed right now. Instead of like the standard like damage increase. Wait, what? But isn't this like already there? This tripod? Oh, the critical hit rate doesn't go up. So Peacemaker is still there. Peacemaker is still there basically. But I mean like the critical rate doesn't go up, but the damage did it go up? I think it did, but I don't remember actually. So yeah, and then they changed like the other one. Basically, yeah. Oh, okay. This is the old one actually. No. Ah, I see what I mean. They swapped the tripod. The tripod now, the first tier is this, because this used to be the second tier, right? Now this is the first tier. This is the second tier of the tripod now. So yeah, that's basically what happens. It's actually a buff in a way, because like this is better because like you don't need the extra critical rate before. This is buff for like this skill. You have like the shotgun buff right now. And then Peacemaker change, I guess. Peacemaker change. So yeah, lots of changes from last PTR actually went through though. Keep that in mind. A lot of changes do went through in the end. So yeah, but usually there are like some like some final tweaks in the end. No one use special bullet skill. What? I'm pretty sure they do, dude. I'm pretty sure they do. I'm pretty sure they do. They use special bullet. What? I'm pretty sure, dude. Wait, what do you not use if you don't like if you don't use the thing, right? I play 3 Gunslinger, yeah, and all 3 of them could be like wrong, I guess. So yeah, usually the back attack removal is the blue tripod. It's also more consistent with the rest of the class. Yeah, but this but for like for a sharpshooter, right? The green tripod was the back attack, so they move it upwards, and then they put like the bottom one for one. So yeah, I don't know, but this is like part of the special build right there. You don't use it, like I don't know what you use then. I don't remember. I guess I'll have to double check. I guess we'll see. I don't remember. We'll see. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Okay, Peacemaker changed right now. So attack speed, that's the same for like handgun. Critical hit rate 10%. Okay, so now shotgun is like just a damage increase basically. The critical hit rate stays the same. Damage dealt change increases 9%, damage below 10%, 10 to 80%. Okay, so the sniper is still the same. So still the same. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like it's the same. Okay, it's not the same. Your shotgun is better because like you used to overcap on crit, no longer. Now you don't no longer overcap on crit. I still think Peacemaker 1 though. I don't see a reason to like raise it to like Peacemaker 3. So yeah, PM3 Adrenaline 2 much better than before. Yeah, if you're making like 5x3 and 2 setup, probably in Ancient, yeah, with like 9-7 stone. But generally, you will still run Peacemaker 1 anyway. So yeah. The reason why you run PM3 is you run PM3 to begin with before. Now like the PM3 is actually better. So yeah. And then like hunt time gets like even more critical rate. So that's good, I guess. Another thing. I mean like they never run critical rate, but they just like have extra critical rate right now. So yep. That's how it goes right now. Alright, well that's Gunslinger for you right there. Top content has been showing a little stagnant. So yeah, so they increase like some damage. Okay. Well, Gunslinger buff for you. Enjoy right there. So yeah. So if at this point, right, Gunslinger should be like back like pretty high up there right here. But I'm pretty sure you guys in NAU is still gonna be shit in NAU. So yeah. So it wouldn't be like nothing would change for you guys. But at least you guys will realize that the thing that is shit is not the class, it's you. But anyways, that's like the Gunslinger change for that. We'll see right now. We will see, we will see. Demonic main. Can you share link? Yeah. Crying about Gunslinger can share up. Nah, they'll just realize that like, you know, it's not about the class. Anyways, let's move on right now. It's what I wanted, the Gunslinger buff. I do want this buff, you know. Not because I think they need it, but because like I want them to get shit on. 5% bonus shotgun isn't that much though. Shotgun is like only 25% of the damage. It's 5% from here and 5% from like the Peacemaker dude. Because like this thing was not there before. So that's for Peacemaker. So there is that, there is that. That's generally how it is, to be honest. I mean like they didn't need the buff to begin with. But I mean like with other classes like the nerf on like Shock Scrapper, the nerf on like what's the name? The nerf on like Soulfist, right? Then that means like the top one would go down as Gunslinger go up. So we'll see how it goes. It will be funny to see it. But yeah, anyways, let's move on right now. Okay, where is the cockroach? Are you actually re-rolling Tyra? I mean if you want to, sure. So yeah, hunt time is like 4% buff as well. It's basically critical rate. So yeah, it's a pretty good buff, pretty like decent buff. Just so people that are bad are just even sadder. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, Striker untouched. I know Striker is untouched, but I don't think Striker has an issue. The issue was always the card set, not Striker itself. But yeah. Right, anyways, wait, what? Shotgun skill guys use sharpshooter rapid fire shot. What extinction bullet? Well, what's the name of that skill actually? Dual buckshot. I don't know, Calman. I think you're playing like Gunslinger wrong. But anyways, moving on. We don't really care what you play. So yeah, yeah, you all use dual buckshot. You don't use rapid fire. Yeah, not the same. Whoever. Alright, anyways, let's move on right now. Scrapper nerf, let's see how many change main. They nerf a little bit for like shock skill damage. So yeah. Alright, summoner. Okay, so spec stat is increased right now, so there is that. You guys don't know this because like you guys like don't play like summoner, right? But I wanna see it anyway. Because like Soltrek plays this class. Quality of life, identity generation, I guess. Oh, it's a buff actually, it's a damage buff. And also identity generation. Looking at this, I think they will change double class engraving for like summoner. Oh, finally, man. Okay, hopefully, right? We will see. Vito, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome. Yeah, there is like a buff to like basically the identity gauge increase right now. So yeah, same with this one right there. Increase damage done by 39%. Nice, I guess. More one, I guess. Nice. So they just make this basically like permanent, and they just increase the damage of like Pauru right now. Okay, same thing, similar thing. Okay, more like more identity gain again. More identity gain. Casting time becomes faster. Oh, Soltrek rejoice. Damage in PvP. No one used this, but sure, I guess. Okay, Wing Spirit, same identity gauge. This one doesn't really matter. I mean, like I guess unless you use it, probably slight buff. Damage buff on this one. Gauge generation as well. Mana consumption, but damage to increase. Okay. Yeah, I got a feeling they will change here. I'm pretty sure they will change the like based on like what they changed on this. I think like they changed like the double class engraving for like this one. Peacemaker use level 3 now. I think it's still level 1. So yeah. Because they instead of like that, it's just linear gain, right? Well, it's not linear gain. You gain more from like level 1. It's still gonna be level 1. I'm pretty sure on that. But I don't know. I could be wrong. Because like it's napkin math right now. Okay, damage in PvE and everything, electric storm, okay. That's the identity gauge again. Okay, now you have like 2 skill, finally, dude. Now you have like 2 different skill. This is what like I've been asking for summoner. I wish like they split the skill and they split like the identity between the 2 as well. One for like summoning, the other one for like identity. So there is like a spec summoner, something like that right there. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Okay. So this is like this is like the it's a buff on your identity skill as well right now. It's a buff on identity skill. Okay. Zahe and Regias, no one uses it. Attack speed faster. So, but Akir damage is not buff, only the attack speed. Okay. Only attack speed rather. When any you getting balance patch? Maybe like in about a month or two, I would say. So, okay, now we change the engraving. Now, this is what's important right now. So, yeah. So, Senior Summoner is now buff like the Ancient Spirit, that's the identity. Reduced by 1. Damage of normal skill and spirit skill increased by 10%. Critical hit rate by 16%. Ooh. So basically it's a spec crit summoner maybe. Wait, what? Wait, you have like a different identity for it. What the hell? Huh. Oh no, this is just the same thing actually. Never mind. No, this is the same thing. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, this is the same thing actually. The identity is the same, but they changed like the how the engraving works. This is actually a weird one. So yeah. And then for the other one, for like sympathy engraving, this is a summoning engraving. Duration is smaller, damage increase. Okay, and reduce cooldown pet command skill. I see. Wait, I get a feeling they will still. Well, will they still use like double class engraving? I don't know. I feel like they can still use double class engraving. Shit. Maybe like we're not out of the woods yet here for Summoner right now. What stops them from going double class still? Exactly, yeah. I don't think like not anything stopped them from doing double class right now. Aside from like the part, maybe you would run like spec crit or something like that. Maybe not actually. Let me check like the developer note right now. So yeah. Also fixed. Okay. Okay, long casting time. Okay. Usability, space, and number someone can find together. I don't know. I got a feeling they will still run double actually. Never mind. I thought that they would like basically fix like double class engraving, but I guess not. I guess you're still cucked anyway. I don't know. I get a feeling that you're still run double class engraving. I don't know, man. Never lucky, I guess. I don't see like anything in this between the two. Unlike like the barrage and like the barrage artilleries and like the firepower, where like it just splits them together. This one, like you can use them in conjunction with each other as well. So I feel like it wouldn't change anything. But yeah, I don't know. I guess it's a bit weird. Yeah, I don't know. I guess like maybe like the only difference is that like you want like both of them at level 3 now, maybe. No, I have no idea. Yeah, need testing for this. I need testing for this. So yeah, think summoner very likely now. Yeah, on the bright side, we can hoard more mats for scouter. Yeah, well I don't know. Maybe. Oh, true. Yeah, it might be the one that comes out for you guys. You know, in the roadmap. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Okay, let's move on to Arcana. Time to rebuild Blaster from scratch. Well, you were kind of like abusing double class before, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. Okay, Arcana right now. So they delete Infinity Shower. They change this right now. Stacks given twice. Okay. Huh. Okay, I'm not entirely sure how this works actually. I have to actually like use it for now. So we'll keep it for now, I guess. I'm not sure like how this change would actually work. Arcana has always been a bit complicated, man. I have to like double check on how it is. So yeah, double check on like how it actually plays. Anyway, quick draw tripod, 20% acquire identity card. Oh, but it's on hit, which is like that's not bad, I guess. It's on hit, but the chance of you to get like card is lower. But it's on hit, so yeah. Yeah, just last animation lump right here. Let's see. Okay, this is okay, I guess. It's generally similar. Yeah, probably like just make it faster, I guess. And then it's the same thing as well, maybe. Wait, what? What? Okay, this one was on hit and now it changes into the old one. Okay, now I don't know. I guess like they want you to use like I mean like, because like most of the time you use this skill anyway. Maybe. Huh. Same thing, just like card tripod basically. Card tripod is already on hit, pretty sure. Now the one before was on hit, wasn't on hit, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure. Like I don't really remember because like I haven't played Arcana in like a long time. So yeah, evoke is 1 second. Okay. Same thing. It's still on hit for now, but it's lower. Wait, are they like making you like draw less card? Huh? I get a feeling they're making you draw less card at this point, man. Especially like if you're like Emperor, maybe. Demonics right now. I don't know. Quadra accelerate. Okay. Huh. Dude, like a lot of these things are like, you know, need like actual testing and actual like Trixion actually. Need to go to Trixion to actually test like some of these changes. This one is a bit like on the weird side. Yeah. No Pistolier buff, don't think they need it, but the Deadeye in Unchanged is a bit like such as well. Anyways, Checkmate, Celestial Lane, attack range, that's not bad. 4 cards, no one uses this skill unless they change it. Huh. Critical hit rate by 44%. And then 36% damage increase. I'm not sure how this will stack with like the other red cards though. The other like red skill. Because normally you don't use this to like detonate your stacks normally. Huh. They're buffing hallucination set. They did buff hallucination. No, they don't buff it. They give you quality of life for hallucination. So yeah, love your demonic. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. What? Okay, I guess like that doesn't really matter for this one. I don't think like this is actually like what you use. Let's see, card. Man, there's a lot of cards, man, actually. Movement speed increased 20%, 16 seconds. Collision monster are moving ignored. Okay. So you can basically like move through. Okay. For like mobs, not bosses, of course. Not bosses. Cooldown time reduce. Okay, share. Recover mana. Increase mana regen. So nothing, I guess. You don't really care about this one. Generally. Wait, a new identity card. There is a new identity card. What? So you get like more identity card. You had like a lot of card already and you still get like more card. God damn it, man. More card. BT price increasing now. Remove ghost damage reduction. Not my damage reduction. Yeah, well, it's there right now. What is it right there? Clown card. So you get like the same card again. Reduce the remaining cooldown. So cooldown reduction card then is there as well. Huh. Or like it could be like more. Or it could be double. There is a 50% chance it could be like double reduce cooldown. Oh. If you use Emperor, you have like Emperor card and Prince card now. Which just increase your skill damage by like 50% for 4 seconds. So you can burst even more, I guess. So yeah. Critical hit rate, normal skill 10%. Oh, so if you play Emperor, you get like 2 extra new card, not just Emperor. Damn, dude. Demonic 2 huge buff. Does it now? Yeah, PV deck, recovery, hitting ruin skill for each stack, 4 stack ruin damage, 5%. Oh, that's actually a buff, yeah. This is basically an Arcana like damage buff right now. For like Empress mainly, but yeah. So there is that. Emperor Edict is changed right now. So yeah, balance and judgment card replaced with the it's replaced. The card is replaced with the new card. Yeah, okay. More damage as well, I guess. And then increase the damage of the Emperor card as well. If you get the Emperor card as well. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. This is a bit weird, I guess. Like, this is really hard. Like, Arcana, like, on this one, like, I have no idea right now. I have zero idea on, like, what's gonna happen right now. I'm pretty sure it's a buff on both sides. I just don't know, like, how big and, like, how it would change, like, it is. I don't know. I hate Arcana anyway. I'm not, like, a big fan of Arcana. Heard spec RT got nerfed. Can you explain again now? No. Okay. Wait, is that it? Wait, is that it? Wait, is this, like, a demonic? Oh, wait, demonic like changed how she looks. Oh damn, here we go. Is it like demonic or what? Why do I feel like this is demonic? Yeah, this is demonic right now. Hate Arcana. I'm not a big fan of Arcana, so yeah, that's just me though. Okay, tooltip doesn't matter. So this is how the new demonic looks right now. In you guys' case, it will be dark skin with like gray hair instead of like, you know, pale skin with like white hair. So that's for you guys right there. But yeah, big boss right here. Anyways, yeah. Okay, so that's a change right there. So the motion is changed as well. So they just changed like how it looks totally then, I guess. Well, that's how it goes right now. So most of these are generally the same, I guess. They do change like some skill effect, I guess. Yeah, skill effect change right here. So they, I guess like they look better on the graphical change, not performance, but there is that. Alright, and there is that, I guess. So that's everything right now. So yeah, I guess like the winner is like demonic, obviously. Look at those. I mean, look at her. So yeah, that's the thing right there. We'll use our character skin colors, surely. I guess we'll find out, right? I can log into my demonic, so yeah. Can log in to my demonic. Arcanas Emperor build gonna be like level 3 class now. Could be. It could be. Yeah, we'll see, I guess. It's Morbin time. Yeah, we can check right now. But yeah, this is like, I guess like most of like the balance patch right now. So yeah, not as much as I thought, but I mean like there are some like interesting one right here. The one that like I'm curious though, you know, what happened to like the level 1 guy? What happened to that Reddit post right there? Who bought Peacemaker 3? That's like the thing right there. Funny, man, always funny. But yeah, well, there is that right there. That's like the test server balance patch. I guess we'll find out like on like how it's gonna go later. So can you try firepower? I can, yeah. So yeah, I'll go log into my test server right now. So yeah, Peacemaker did get buff, yeah, but I mean like I think you're still gonna run Peacemaker 1. So yeah, demonic huge buff, oh yeah. But yeah, we'll see. Let me log into my demonic and see like how it actually looks. But yeah, but that's like basically the changes, man. All the changes for now, not the actual change, by the way. Again, this is only PTR, so stop molding yet. We don't know yet, but we'll find out. Alright, anyways.